house and I'm supposed to be home.
The thing is, you're making a big deal out of that statement, and it's something that I used to say even when we were friends.
No, just say it. I want people to hear.
I said, wacha kwanza tusikudrop home tuende kwangu.
Kwa nini?
Ndio tupige hesabu. Because guys, I told you we are not just dating and we are business partners pia. Ndio tupige hesabu. And the other thing, after kupige hesabu, we chill for like 1 hour. Why? Because I know you are tired and then you can go home.
Don't do that. Sema kwa hiyo video. To chill for 1 hour. Why?
Because I said because I can't get enough of you. Stop making a big deal out of that.
Wanda jatosheka guys.
Sijatosheka na nini? Kwani who have you been dating?
I can't get what?
Like Evo time.
You've been with me for like 2 nights. Also like 3 days. I need to go home. Whatever.
Check out 1 hour.
1 hour, what's the difference?
Listen, the thing is tunapiga hesabu to chill for 1 hour.
Tunapiga for 10 hours. That's a very whatever less minutes. You just can't get enough of me and I understand it, okay? Sure. Sasa hakuna stories za pek. Acha niwaambie. Tuambia when we started dating Drew. It's gonna be funny. Don't say niko like mbona nipea chicks. Just give me the lips that you've been giving me off camera. Okay, si kitambo like
umevuta bangi wewe. Umevuta
Wanda anapenda kisses.
Unasikia?
Mnaona mimi ndo nashinda nikimkiss. Ananipenda continue.
Georgiana.
Georgiana. Oh my love, I love them.
Hey, Georgiana jamani. Kama utoke nje nimalizie hiyo.
Nile suitcase yangu mimi nilikuwa niende kwa nikwamilia. But I'm happy to be here.
Anywhere?
I need to go and
you need to go?
And tunaingia wiki ya birthday yangu. I'm supposed to go and style another week that I have. So natoa hii ilikuwa ya reveal, so kuna Okay, so endelea pole.
So I was saying, give us a review of the whole staycation.
Yeah. But mimi I enjoyed. Kwanza the prank that I gave you, I feel nilikuwa tumetulia sana